Welcome to the channel. Today we're looking at the Tiger80, a hotswap TKL from KVD fans. Let's get to the fun stuff first. This hotswap keyboard has a lot going for it. It has really nice flex, a great mounting system, and a nice range of custom mods included in the kit. But on the downside, it does sound a little hollow and pingy for its price point. The case is full aluminum, with a beautifully machined tiger on the back, and the finish is pretty much perfect. It has a 7-degree typing angle, with some underglow on the PCB, which you won't see in the aluminum case, but will see in the future in a polycarb case. The caps lock and scroll locks have light indicators, but there is no per key RGB. The case is held together with 10 T3 screws, and the daughter board USB-C connection is centered in the back. The polycarb plate is leaf spring mount with little silicone socks that act both as the gaskets and a sort of force brake mod. The 1.2mm PCB has tons of flex cuts. They include stabilizer shims for mounting stabilizers to the thin PCB. This is an interesting kit because it's sort of a culmination of the last 2 years of custom mechanical keyboards. It's got all the highlights: an aluminum case with nice engraving on the back, a switch pad sheet, foam for between the PCB and plate, leaf spring-like gaskets with silicone socks for mounting the plate, and a printed tape sheet for your PCB tape mod. This isn't grouped by right now, but we'll almost definitely see a round 2. And there's going to be a range of other layouts, as well as a light line in polycarb with similar features in the near future. Since the KBD67 light just had its final run, it's easy to imagine the next KBD67 light will have a lot of these features. The typing feels very soft and flexible. I guess if you were extremely heavy-handed, you might hear where you bottom out at max flex, but I really don't think anyone will type that hard. I think what makes this special is it's the beginning of KBD fans' shift to a more feature-rich keyboard kit. You can look forward to a line of these coming in Polycarb Light and other layouts soon. The cons basically are that even though the silicone socks are supposed to insulate the top and bottom case from each other, there's still a little ringing if you're paying attention. It's not horrible, but it is there. I think the value for this keyboard is very high. It really has a great typing feel, and it's going to make a lot of people happy. It's definitely going to be a big hit. So stick around for some typing tests, and thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, and good luck out there.